Alright guys, what is going on? So we're already starting off this day with the L. We're gonna take out the Civic, flip it around, and put it in reverse in there because we got some stuff coming for it. But it doesn't want to turn on. We think the fuel pump officially gave out. It's a good thing we got 2 fuel pumps. And we're gonna switch it out real quick. Hopefully it turns on. If not, it's gonna be the relay or something electrical because the fuel pump's not priming at all. So hopefully it's just a fuel pump because we got 2 on deck. So we're gonna switch that out real quick and we'll see how that goes. What's good, Leo?
What's up?
So we had this fuel pump laying around from when I first got the B swap. We took out everything, including the fuel pump. So hopefully it comes in handy right now, fucking 2 years later. So we'll see. Fuel pump's already exposed, so just gotta take off the Phillips and yep. Perks of being gutted, semi-gutted.
Perks of not having an EF.
What do you have to do for your fuel pump?
Drop the tank.
Damn.
Oh, bitch.
Probably the first time this is.
Oh, fuck, it's dusty.
Yeah, it's probably the OEM filter, guys. So we'll see. From 99. Oh, bro, shit's gunky. Alright, guys, it looks like it might be the fuel pump. Hopefully, because it's not looking too good in there.
Oh, nothing flies in there. Look.
Alright, guys, so that's the old one. Not sure if it's OEM or not, but
Yeah, it is. Looks like it.
that's the new one. Alright, guys, new fuel pump is going in. Newish fuel pump. It's new for me, alright. So hopefully this works. If not, then I guess I'll replace my relay and go from there. But hopefully it's this because this option is free. And how much was your relay? Like 50 bucks?
Something like that. Either it catches on fire or it turns on.
Catches on fire. I don't want that. Alright, guys. Oh.
Oh, shit.
Yeah, there's nothing.
Alright.
Welp.
How do you should just with?
Yep. Nothing.
Well, check fuses and relays and all that.
Alright. Fuel pump doesn't work. Leo cleaned all the grounds. There's spark. So I mean, I'm pretty sure it's the main relay. So we're gonna try bypassing it right now just to start it and get it in there. And yeah, so I mean, that should be the main relay. If not, then I'm gonna get a Miata. So if anybody wants to buy a Civic, hit me up. So instead of buying one, Leo's gonna try to resolder it. And if this doesn't work, guys, I mean, honestly, I don't know. I'm really hoping this is it.
I mean, news always better.
Yeah. Alright, relay's back. Wow. Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Woo! 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 Alright guys, Civic is good. Just needed a resolder on the main relay. A lot better than spending $50 on a new one. And yeah, now it's time to take apart the motor after we got it running. Yeah guys, so we went through all that trouble just to get the Civic backwards in here. But if you guys haven't noticed, this is gonna be the new workspace. We got the workshop light right there, fucking 100 lumens. And yeah, looking pretty good, looking pretty solid. Definitely ready. So guys, it is time to say bye to the B18B. So we don't have jack stands or anything or the cherry picker, so we're just gonna disconnect what we can. And then we're gonna go pick up the new motor Thursday. So yeah, we're gonna get everything ready to be pulled out. Might pull it out tomorrow, might pull it out Thursday, the same day we get the new motor. But yep. So yeah, we're probably gonna take a little break. That fucking fuel pump was stupid. But yep, I was gonna say something, I forgot. But anyways guys, the plan is, so we're picking up a full motor. Me and Leo are gonna go halves as a B16 trans, and I'm gonna get the motor. So we're just gonna go half on half. He gets a trans, I get a motor. And the plan is I'm gonna give this motor to David for dirt cheap, including axles, mounts. He's just gonna need a transmission and a shift linkage. And he's pretty much gonna have everything else. I'm gonna hook him up for stupid cheap. And that's the plan. So David's gonna get this motor and I'm gonna get a new motor Thursday. So that's the plan. David's finally gonna go B swap.
How long?
Yeah, who knows how long, but I mean, the motor's gonna be there for him. He already said he's down. So that's that. What's up? What's up, bro? So before we get started on that, Leo's working on his little side project right now. He just got done clear coating it. There's a little piece of carbon fiber. It says second coat of clear coat.
Yeah.
So it looks really good so far. And he's gonna replace his little climate control piece with this. It's gonna be like a knockoff plate. So it's gonna look pretty badass, carbon fiber. So he got it actually from, so there's a broken carbon fiber hood at a tow yard, and my boy took off a piece from it because it was already broken. He just cut it out right there, and yeah, used it for his little knockoff plate. So should look pretty clean. Maybe there's enough for me. Nah. Nah, definitely not enough. But it's gonna look pretty badass. Alright guys, so that's the carbon fiber plate. So I'm gonna replace all that climate control underneath.
Oh, I hope I did it right. You cut it right.
Should look pretty clean. I'm a little jealous.
Oh fuck, I need.
Our boy Marcus just pulled up. Hasn't been on the channel forever. What's up, bro?
What's up? Yeah, that's just.
Anyways, our boy stopped by because he has a, I don't know if you guys could tell, but he has a fat ass exhaust leak, and his idle's at like 2,500.
3 equals a 3. Well, it was
Close,
at 3, not
yeah.
the 25.
So it was at 3, now 25. We're still trying to diagnose the problem, but yeah, he came to tighten his muffler, I guess, because it's not tighten. I don't know, but.
Fuck.
know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna put little washers. So it's a little small. Boom. I got it. There's all holes. I don't see anything.
Hey, came out pretty clean.
Can't see anything.
Yeah, it's better than before. Oh. You like it?
Yep.
That's just badass. Fuck you. Let's go get some more carbon fiber. Alright guys, so we were gonna start, disconnecting the harness, but I think it'll be just easier if we pull out the whole motor with the harness. So it's not much, we gotta disconnect, just simple shit. So we're gonna take care of that, wait, tomorrow or Thursday? We can take out the motor tomorrow.
Oh yeah, tomorrow. We can take this one out tomorrow.
Alright guys, so I'm gonna rip out this motor tomorrow. The cherry picker is at my house anyways. And we're gonna pick up his coilovers tomorrow, and part of it that we're not doing it right now is because we don't have jack stands. The jack stands is currently on the hatch. Wait, so your coil's gonna be ready tomorrow?
Supposedly.
So yeah, if everything goes according to plan, we're gonna pick up his coils tomorrow. Then we'll be able to get the jack stands. We'll get the cherry picker as well. We'll be able to pull out this motor, and then Thursday get the new motor. So yeah, I'm not getting anything crazy, guys. You guys will find out what motor when the time comes. But yeah.
No more blue smoke.
no more smoke. So yeah, if everything goes well, David's gonna be getting this, and should be sick. And also give us a chance to clean the engine bay again and touch it up a little bit because it's filthy. Hasn't really been maintained, so we're gonna get that engine bay back and glossy and looking good. If you guys enjoyed this quick little video, comment down below what you guys think on Leo's knockoff play. That shit looks badass. It makes me want to do it. I think mine would be easier.
I'm telling you, these 7-year-olds.
If I get rid of the radio, I could honestly just do that whole little square right there. Because Leo's is actually, there's like a splitter in between, so if I take out the radio, I could actually do the whole thing. But I don't know, I like bumping music, so I don't know. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed that quick little video. Like I said, we're gonna be doing some serious shit next video and the video after that. So yeah, motor is gonna be pulled out, so that should be fun. Like if you guys enjoyed the video, subscribe for new, and we'll see you guys in the next video when we start ripping out the B18. So stay tuned for that.